This is a demonstration of the first of the two digital design tools created for the Transforming Timber project. So going into the BIM tool, we have three components. We have the CLT, or cross-laminated timber. We've got the GLT, glue laminated timber, and the NLT, nail laminated timber, all with unique configurations designed for that type of product. If I go over to this building here, which is the ground floor module of the SNRG building, we can see that the CLT walls have been specified accordingly. We've got the GLT floor slab as a slab orientation. We also have a beam, some of the beams at the top acting as beams and the configurations required for that. And then we have the NLT, nail laminated timber ceiling panels. Again, the configurations for this. If I want to finish this building off, I'm going to select my CLT panel. I'll move it or keep the original in place. I'll make it unique. And then I'll just fix my geometry first of all, and I'll also cut a window in this elevation. And then I'll go in to the option and modify for this particular building. I want the 90mm CLT, 99mm, sorry, a vertical orientation, a Sitka spruce, visual on the internal face, filled with wood filler, surface spread of flame treatment. Yes, I don't need fire resistance. Grade by timber species, and that's all the options that I need to do. Press apply. We now have the ground floor module complete. Select the whole module. I can go to File, Generate Report. Then I can now run my report. And we'll download. Now I've got my report downloaded, I'm going to select the whole document, press copy, and I'll paste it into my template pre-prepared. I now run the macro. That was by accident. And now I can see the data required for each of these panels, all the CLT panels, the GLT, the NLT, and also all of my connections from panel to panel, object to object as well. So in the panel you can see the configuration, the mass of each panel for lifting purposes, type, orientation, all the timber that's required, the volume of timber or the length of timber required, even the amount of glue that will be required for each of the panels. We also have for the NLTs, nail laminated timber, we've got the type of fixings required, the spacings, and the total number for each panel. Then we also have for the connections from object to object or panel to panel, all the fixings required. That's a Eurotech screw, 6mm by 180 and a 6mm by 240, the spacings of each of the connections, and the total number required for each of those connections. So this is all the data that you need for manufacturing, along with obviously the manufacturer drawings that you've seen in the report. Thank you very much for a very quick demonstration.